It seems Mary has picked up a nice new house for herself. Oops. And here is the introduction to the new neighbor, Quentin. Yeah, not the best way to get acquainted. Fortunately, Quentin is a real gentleman and will always give a hand to a girl. But Mary can get to know herself. What's this? Or rather, who? It's Wednesday. Yeah, these are not the neighbors you would wish for, but it's good that they live in different houses. You're on Multi-Do channel, and this is a challenge house of the same color. Looks like Quentin decided to start with painting. It seems to be working out well. Good job, Quentin.
Well, it's kind of fun to do it.
Oh, Quentin, the paint got on your face, but he did not lose his head. On the contrary, it inspired him to build a bit of rebellion. What about Mary? Yeah, if you paint with nail polish, then at best, you will finish in old age. Apparently, Mary also guessed this. Well, or she was inspired by Quentin, who has already finished painting. Mary has not only a competitive spirit, but also some idea. It looks like she decided to trim the house with a soft pink fabric. So original and very soft. It's like I'm on the cloud. It seems that Quentin decided to dilute the blue with droplets of white. Look at that. Ooh, he got a little carried away and kind of painted Mary. And Wednesday. Oh my. You do not joke with Wednesday. Quentin, save yourself. A creepy hand is chasing you. Fortunately, he was able to hide on the roof. A good reason to celebrate your salvation and the end of painting the house by hosting the Multi-Do flag. It seems that Quentin is not very happy with the appearance of the house, but he has already come up with something. He paints white. I wonder what will be next. Ooh, it's a soccer ball. Very original. Well done, Quentin. I wonder what Mary is up to with her discs. We'll find out now. Oh yeah, she decorated the roof with them. It looks very unusual and stylish. Look out, Mary. Yeah, the roof is beautiful, but just very slippery. The only thing left is to install the heart. Ooh, it looks like Quentin also decided to decorate the roof, but decided to do it with stickers. What about the second window? It looks like the basketball is missing something. Quentin has a solution already, a basketball hoop. It looks great and so sporty. But it's such more fun to play with a real ball. The best throw? Yeah, not the best. It seems that Wendy doesn't really like sports. I'm sure next time Quentin will think 1,000 times before doing that. Wednesday also decided to take care of her house. Yeah, not the brightest color, but it's her style. And of course, where without bars on the windows, right? It seems that thing brought a sword. Look. I wonder why she needs it. Yeah, only Wednesday can have a roof decorated like that. She seems to have come up with another idea. Yes, a little creepy eyes won't hurt this house, right? Well, it seems that the appearance of all houses is ready. And this means that we're moving on and we'll take care of the yard. Wednesday decided to start with a spear and a bat ornament. Look. Well, it's beautiful in its own way. Well, where do we go without Thing, right? The best helper ever. Where without plants, right? But you didn't think she would leave it just like that, did you? Of course not. Where without the creepy decorations in the form of eyes, right? So, why does she need a shovel and bones? Is she planting them? What? Oh, very intriguing. Is she watering them? I'm afraid to imagine what's gonna be next. Oh, dippity-doppity-doo. My hands are out of the ground? Well, where without a mailbox in the form of a coffin, right? Yeah, Wednesday definitely has a style. Creepy, but stylish. Quentin decided to decorate his yard with a hockey stick. And a garland. Very sporty. Only lawn painting will make this house even more sporty. Don't you understand? Now you'll see for yourself. Look, this is a real football marking. It seems that Quentin thinks that is not enough. She decided to install a gate. So, it is necessary to try out his new yard. Quentin, come on, go! Go! Well done, Quentin! Congratulations! Oops, he tripped over something. It seems to be a small trash can. But with Quentin's resourcefulness, it can easily turn into a great mailbox in the form of a frog. Look! So what about Mary? Mary decided to start with a mailbox. But not everything is so simple. She will decorate it and make it in the form of a flamingo. How creative and beautiful. And where do we go without soft toys of Huggy Wuggy? A pink heart instead of a plant is so cute. A great addition will be a pink flagpole. And pink hearts in a form of decoration. And you can lay a blanket on the lawn. Spend time in it with pleasure. Put some pillows on and get a rest. The only thing that can distract her from this perfection is Quentin's trainings. Oops. It looks like a conflict of neighbors is going to fire up. Well, Wednesday does not care. She has her own atmosphere. It's convenient when you have a thing that brings you cocktails by itself. So, it's time to finish the interior of the house.
Whoa! You can't even be more creative there!
Well, let's see what Wednesday's gonna do. Of course, she decided to paint everything dark black. It looks creepy, so it's just right for Wednesday. Now, a little decor in the form of bats, bones, and spiders. Look, thing also has its own house. How cute. Creepy. Wednesday decided to do furniture next. A table made of tires, decorated with an old lantern, skulls, and plants. And another table with an antique candlestick. Well, where without an atmospheric garland, right? Look at that. And spider web. Where's the spider? Well, it's hard to imagine this place without a fortune-telling ball. She has an interesting way of communicating with relatives, right? Yeah, say hi from us too. What about Quentin? He also started with painting. Well, here, I'm not doubting that it's going to be brighter than Wednesday's place. Now, he decided to add stickers. As well as glue Legos on the wall. Look at that. Ooh, we're gonna figure out what he's gonna do next. A large Lego man? Ooh, so creative and cool. Holders from Lego. He made a hanger out of it. Holders for charging the headphones. It turned out very beautiful and very creative. But what to do with the rest of the details? They need to be filled in a frame with a Lego man. That's right. This is a great storage. Also, Quentin decided to add some Minecraft and hung the axes on the wall. Hang the axes on the wall and place dynamite in the corner. That's right, and automatic consoles to play your favorite Minecraft won't hurt. Quentin, don't you think it's getting a little dark? Fortunately, Quentin has a chandelier in the form of a skateboard. It looks just amazing. It's gonna fit in right well. Just look at this. More light and more creativeness here. Well, how's Mary doing? It's time for her to decorate the house too. Mary started by painting in pink, and I'm not really surprised by that. It's evident that Mary is super satisfied with her job. Well, of course, she's a little tired. But how about a little glamorous decor? The most glamorous decor I've ever seen. Fluffy carpet, wonderful. But you can go further and make a fluffy mirror. Such a house simply cannot do without a closet. I like it so much, but something's missing. Interesting. What? Right, posters with a unicorn will be a great decoration for the wall. Well, where without a mini stove? Garlands will be a great finishing touch. Wow. Look, Mary has already made some cookies to celebrate the end of the renovation. She decided to have a tea ceremony with her Huggy Wuggies. I think they won't be too upset if they get smaller portions. Now I'm going to take care of you, honey. Here, treat yourself. So cute and so delicious. Well, everybody has decorated their own house, and we're moving on. Looks like Mary decided to make a house for her pet. Look what a toy she made. She's doing it by herself. I'm sure Kitty will be very happy. Well, or a unicorn. And it's going to be his favorite toy. But that's not all. Where can we go without a hinged sunbed? Apparently, Mary decided to make a beautiful curtain, too. Very beautiful. The kitty will be very pleased. Just look at this. Mary, what? Oh, I get it now. It's a rat. But that's not just a rat. It's Quentin's rat. I wonder how Quentin will decorate his pet's house. Well, where without sports equipment, right, Quentin? Not sure that the rat will train punches, but that's fine. Favorite cups, balls. It seems that Quentin has forgotten who he's decorating the house for. A wheel, a crib in the form of a car. He still remembers that it's for his rat. But I'm sure if Quentin had been smaller, he would have been happy to live in such a small house too. But it seems that the rat is also delighted. Especially from this car crib. Look at this, Ratty.
You can't even ride this crib. Yeah, I know you love it.
And how are things at Wednesday's? Well, Thing clearly wants his house decorated too. And Wednesday starts with a portrait. Then she puts a bathtub, a crib, and a few varnishes. What a care. What else does a decent hand need? It's time to take a new house hand. Ooh, looks like this bed made an impression on it. And the crib was soft enough. How about an evening manicure? Mary decided to go out her patio in the evening and watch her favorite multi-do releases on the projector. And as you know, joint viewing always unites and can reconcile even such neighbors. Well, while our heroes are watching the multi-do channel, we suggest you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and look at the fortunate moments from the filming. See you soon!